right, so check this out. Today is June 15th, 2012, 4 days after the announcement of the new MacBook Pro. As you can see, it's actually, even the box is a lot thinner. So I am very, very, very excited. Very excited.
Yeah.
So... Alright, so we're gonna open this up, open the plastic, see what we get here. That's awesome. Alright, so are you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Ta-da! This is so exciting. Holy crap! Look at that! Whoa!
It's a MacBook Air.
Dude, that's amazing. So then you got the two Thunderbolt ports, two USB 3.0s on both sides. Alright, you know what? Let's go ahead with the solid state drive. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. See what happens, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, take the plastic off, adding plastic. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. That's amazing. Alright.
It's a beaut, Clark.
Look at that, even the display. This is a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. One thing I do not know is the power button is normally right here to the right, and it's not there. Oh, the power button is now on the keyboard. Wow, so that's pretty sweet. So let's see what happens. I hit the power button.
Voila.
This is amazing.
We have power.
So, first time ever, one of the new MacBook Pros. This thing is stupid thin. Dude, to put in perspective,
Quarter of an inch thinner than the
it's
old
a
one.
notepad. A notepad. Look at this. That's insane.
That's awesome.
It's the same as a notepad. That's crazy. So sure enough, here it is, the new MacBook Pro.
The unveiling.
I am like so excited. So, okay.
Deuces.
Over and out. Deuces.